relationship among the trigonometric ratios. You know the definition of trigonometric ratios already. I give the details of this. Now these are the interrelationship among the trigonometric ratios between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. This is what the interrelationship among the trigonometric ratios. These formulas also required to simplify at the easiest way the problems. Now, let us find out the trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. Trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. These angles are called standard angles. Why these are called standard angles? In geometry, generally we have drawn the triangles by using these angles right from primary standard to high school. These angles are very much familiar while sketching the triangles, and these angles are called standard angles. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Very much familiar because the triangles we have drawn many times in geometry using these angles, usually with these angles. They are called as standard angles. Let us find out the trigonometric ratios, all the 6 trigonometric ratios of these standard angles at 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. What is that evaluation? How do you find the numerical values of those trigonometric ratios at different angles? Let us evaluate the trigonometric ratios at 45 degree. Trigonometric ratios of all the 6 at 45 degree. For this, we require the triangle like this. What is the triangle known as? This triangle is right angle triangle and it is isosceles as well. Right angle triangle and isosceles. What is isosceles? Isosceles means two angles are equal and their adjacent sides are equal. It is called as isosceles triangle and it is right angle isosceles triangle. This triangle we do require to evaluate the trigonometric ratio at 45 degree. This is the triangle I have taken. Let us rewrite the triangle like this. 45 degree. You can take this or this. Let me angle. This is angle 45 degree. And these angles are equal. If these angles are equal, these sides must be same. Isosceles triangle. Because 45 degree, 90 degree, total angle is 180. And this is a triangle under consideration. Let the length of this side equals A, then the length of this side equals X. In this triangle with respect to 45 degree, this is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Then if you write, let the value of A, let me call the value of A as X, then the value of O equals X because these sides are equal. Then what is the value of H? Using Pythagoras theorem, we get value of H equals root 2x. This is how we can calculate. A square plus O square. What is A? What is O? X. Square there. 2x square. Take the root 2x. Value of H is root 2x. Value of A equals X. Value of O equals X. Then write the definitions of all the trigonometric ratios. What is the sine of 45, then cos of 45, tan, and all of the trigonometric ratios. Write the formula opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 45 equals, what is opposite? X. What is that? Root x. Simplify 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2 is a numerical value, the value of the trigonometric, that is value of sine 45. Value. So we can calculate cos 45. What is cos definition? A by h. A is what? X. X by h is root 2x. It is same 1 by root 2. The value of cos 45 becomes 1 by root 2. Then we can calculate the value of tan 45. Look at this. Using this formula, you can directly calculate sin theta by cos theta. Tan 45 equals sin 45 cos 45. Theta 45 degree. 1 by root 2 already evaluated. This is 1 by root 2 already evaluated. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 divide it 1. Tan 45 equals 1. Then evaluate cot 45. What is cot 45? Cot theta 1 by tan theta. That is 1 by tan 45. So 1 divided by tan 45 is 1. 1 by 1 equals 1. Cot 45 also equals 1. Then cosecant 45. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. Cosecant 45 equals 1 over sin 45. What is sin 45? Already evaluated 1 by root 2. 1 divided by 1 by root 2, it becomes root 2. It goes to numerator and numerator. Denominator becomes root 2. Cosecant 45 is, now 45 is root 2. Similarly, secant 45. Evaluation of secant 45. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Secant 45 equals 1 by cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 divided by 1 by root 2. In the same way, secant 45 is root 2. Look at this. At 45 degree, all the trigonometric ratios are evaluated. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45, same value 1 by root 2. But tan 45 is 1. Cot 45 is also 1. Cosecant 45 and secant 45 both are same. They are equal to root 2. Let us evaluate the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this evaluation, we need this triangle. This triangle is called as equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. If this side is x, this side is x, this side is x. If all sides are equal, all the angles are equal. This is 60, 60, 60. Total is 180. Equilateral triangle. In this triangle, let us do the geometry. Here, draw a bisector of the triangle. It divides the triangle into two equal halves. Exactly, right angle at this. Two equal halves. If that is the case, this angle 60, this angle 1 by 2, it becomes 30 in this remains, this is 90 degree. Now you have to concentrate on this triangle. This is x already and this length is x, but half of that is x by 2. This length is x by 2. Then you have to evaluate this length using Pythagoras theorem. From this triangle to this triangle, and in this triangle we see that the angles and the sides, and the length of this side is evaluated like this. Pythagoras, this is hypotenuse, these two are the other sides. Pythagoras theorem. This is x, This is x by 2 AC. This length only. This we don't know, BC square. BC square equal BC square is equal to, take LCM and simplify. 3 x square by 4. BC is root of that. Root 3 by 2 x. Length of this side, this is root 3 by 2. Now I am taking only this triangle containing 30 degree. Now we are evaluating the trigonometric ratio for this 30 degree. This is a triangle. At this 30 degree, with respect to this angle, this side is known as adjacent side, this side is known as opposite side, this side is known as hypotenuse. Then find the trigonometric ratios: sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cot 30, and so on. What is sin 30? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite value? X by 2. Hypotenuse is x. Simplify. X cancels 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30, as per the definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is root 3 by 2 into x. Hypotenuse is x. X cancels root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. We get. Then remaining tan 30 evaluation, sin by cos. What is sin? This is the one we have done it. What is cos? Root 3 by 2. 2 cancels 1 by root 3. Denominator 1 by root 3. Tan 30. Cot 30 inverse of this root 3. Cosecant 30 1 over sin 30. That is 1 by 1 by 2. 2. Secant 30 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It becomes inverse 2 by root 3. Look at that. All trigonometric ratios are evaluated for 30 degree. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. Cosecant 30 is 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3.